we got it. We got the Galaxy Tab A7 Lite, and this comes in 8.7 inches. You get the charger, quick start guide, sampling terms and conditions. Now let's open this. This was not expensive at the local Target. Yeah, this is an abusive attack, I swear. This is what normal tech reviewers unboxing would do. They would grab scissors and they would cut open. Hang on, this is annoying. Wow, would you look at that? This is the hardest box ever to open. Okay, sorry for that long wait. Let's put that aside. Let's pick it out of its sleeve. Put it here. You got your quick start guide, your SIM tool, SIM ejector tool, if you wanted to put Wi-Fi. You got the charger, USB, like I have enough of that, and a USB-A micro USB. Oh no, USB Type-C. Awesome. Is that all we get in the box? Yeah, that's all we get in the box. So let's put this to the side, shall we? Like that. And here we go. The thing itself. Let's carefully unreveal it from its sleeve. Wow, feels nice. Has no protective screen. Hey, oh look, there's a headphone jack. USB charger. Good. Quality's power button, volume rocker, microphone, I believe. Your camera, your single camera. Don't get too excited. It's a tablet. Let's see if it turns on. Oh, wow, it's amazing. Yeah. Secured by Knox. Man, this is amazing. Why don't we set that charger? Samsung, you can make your chargers feel a little bit premium. I'm just saying, it does feel a little bit cheap. Starting Android. Not like we don't know that. Welcome. Well, I'm going to set this up, and for next video, we'll review it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe so you won't miss the review. Full review.